Hi, my name is Naveen. Today I am going to discuss the topic of manual testing to AI powered automation engineer. Right, most of us here started our career as manual testers, like clicking buttons, executing text cases manually, and writing reports. And after that, automation arrived, tools like Selenium, Appium, lot of tools are in the market. And so we continued our automation from the last 15-20 years, right? And now AI came into picture. Now AI is transforming even automation. World is moving fast and we must move faster. Let's get started without any delay. So where we are today, manual testing limitations. Okay, so what are the manual testing limitations? So manual testing is time consuming and inefficient in agile environment, right? So it is taking a lot of time to execute all the regression cycles, and due to that deployments will be delayed. So that is one disadvantage of manual testing. And so this is the time to shift. QA must shift from gatekeeper to enabler. Next, why should manual testers learn automation with AI? So without AI automation and with AI automation, right? So without AI automation, repetitive manual work will be there, and with AI automation, smart scripts that will learn and adapt, slow test automation execution, and coming to with AI, lightning fast execution across platforms, high dependency on developers. Without AI, with AI based test generation and self-healing scripts are available. Limited career growth without AI. With AI test architect and AI quality engineer and SDET roles are available. Lower salaries with if you don't have any AI knowledge, and if you have AI knowledge, 30 to 60% higher salaries are available nowadays in the market. So next slide, what is test automation with AI? What we can achieve with AI? Smart test design, execution and analysis using AI. Many things in test automation framework. Self-healing scripts, AI generated test cases, intelligent test selection, LLM powered test assistants like Cursor, Copilot, validation with LangFuse and LangChain, integrating with MCP and agents. Not only this, let me add few things here. Normally automation is like UI automation and API automation. Okay, many people are doing these things, but nowadays coming to AI, so AI, most of the applications are nowadays in the market are generative AI applications. So for that we need to identify whether the generative applications are giving the proper responses or not. So we need to validate generative AI applications responses. For that we need to prepare one kind of framework which identifies the LLM's response, whether that is relevant or not, whether that is accurate or not, based on that application or those requirements. Coming to the next slide, why AI in QA is game changer. So it is creating test cases with user stories in a normal English language, and it can generate test data as per our requirements, as per our application, and also it can execute faster and based on prioritization as well as parallel test cases it can execute. Validations, just I said, visual plus LLM judgments. It can identify if there are any UI changes, color changes, pixel changes, everything it can identify by using LLM judgment. reporting, dashboards are available. And coming to maintenance, without AI, normal automation will have a lot of maintenance. We need to, every time if there is any UI change, we need to change all the locators, and we need to make sure everything is working fine. But coming to here, with AI, automation frameworks are having auto healing scripts. So finally, roadmap to manual testers. So how they have to start, and what are the topics they need to cover, and finally what they will achieve, we will discuss. Roadmap for manual testers. Understand basics of automation scripting, JavaScript, Python or Java. Step 2. Learn one tool like Playwright. I suggest use Playwright. Playwright is having internal MCP as well as agents. Step 3. Understand API testing, Postman plus automation, API automation. Step 4. Learn AI tools like Testim, Mabel, Functionize, and I suggest please integrate Copilot and ChatGPT in your framework. Build a sample framework with AI support and showcase it on LinkedIn and GitHub. Coming to the next slide. So, market demand and career boost. So obviously it is having 4x growth in all QA jobs since 2024, and the roles like hybrid roles, QA plus having AI knowledge is having high demand in market, and titles are like AI QA engineer, AI validator, AI test architect. So all these jobs are now hot cake in the market. So as I said, so salary will be like 30 to 50% higher salaries for AI skill testers. So this is about our mindset. So AI will not replace any testers, and the truth is AI will empower testers, and having domain knowledge plus AI skills is having a superpower in this field. So your action plan is here. You have to spend daily 1 hour for yourself, and automate one manual use case per week. Just try to automate, try to write some automation scripts for that particular use case, and you will come to know how automation will work. And after that, add some AI concepts and AI API calls and LLM API calls into that framework, and you will understand how AI will work and how the responses will come. And create public content like LinkedIn, YouTube. And the final thing is, you have to learn, you have to build, you have to share, and you have to grow. That's it. If you find this useful, like and share, subscribe for more videos like this. So one thing I can say, opportunities don't disappear. They move to people who are prepared. So please, daily 1 hour, spend daily 1 hour, you will see drastic change in your life. One message I can share with you: you don't have to be great to start. You have to start to become great. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.